Welcome to Zebo Academy, a place where math meets data science. Unlock the power of numbers, logic, data, and code all in one place.
Hello lovely viewers, in this video we are going to find the roots of x. So the roots of x are the values of x where the function is equal to 0, or in other words, where the graph of that function touches the x-axis. So here, to get the roots of x, we have to first equate that function to 0. So this becomes x cubed plus 7x squared minus x is equal to 0. So realize x is a common factor, so we are going to factor out x. It's going to become x into x squared plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x squared plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then for x squared plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0, we are going to use bulldozer or quadratic formula to solve it. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. From our equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to negative 1. So we are going to substitute these values into our formula. So that's going to become x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 over 2 times 1. So x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus 49 minus minus 4 is square root of 53 over 2. So either x is equal to negative 7 plus square root of 53 divided by 2, or x is equal to negative 7 minus square root of 53 divided by 2. So we have got our answers as 0, negative 7 plus root of 53 over 2, and negative 7 minus root of 53 over 2. So therefore x is equal to 0, negative 7 plus root of 53 over 2, or negative 7 minus root of 53 over 2. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, so you can try out can try out that function and drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.